Stuart Carter here from Howard's in Dorchester, just about to show you a short video of this Hyundai Tucson. This particular one is a 1.7 CRDI Blue Drive SE 2-wheel drive 5-door with the 6-speed manual gearbox. Now this car is a 2017 on a 17 plate and has the remainder of the balance of the manufacturer's 5-year warranty. I hope you enjoy the video. The video. We're on London Road in Dorchester if you'd like to pop down and have a look at the car, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066.